Hey my friend, how can I go up?
I don't know. We will see.
You will leave me here, my friend. Why? You're my friend. You're going to leave me here. It's very cold.
We will see. We will see.
Okay. We tomorrow again. But tomorrow, no rain, ha? Bottom plugs. May go now bottom plugs. May mas friendly mga tao dito kaya ayun. So ito guys, sinasarado natin na ulit yung mga bottom plugs. Siyempre picturean din natin yan. Diba na prueba na binalik. Yay! So we just put everything first, then after that we do pressure test, right? Vacuum test.
I know.
Yeah, later we will but we first put back. Ayan. Babalik muna namin guys yung okay, I'll speak English so my friend understand. So we're going to put back the bottom plugs.
Position after the bottom.
Yes. Then this one, the other plug. Okay. How's the so this is number one.
Stand on side.
Yes. And you know, shiny. So there's no any obstruction. So these are the bottom plugs of the ship. Yes. So this is the device for vacuum test later.
Ahmet.
Oh, hello.
Adam sen video çekiyor. Çok paylaşacağım.
Oh, camera siya ya. Oh.
Very good.
Okay. Now we put Teflon on the thread. Very nice. And put back like that.
15.
Huh? What 15,000? This one GoPro? This is very old. This is my wife thing. She gave me this GoPro because she don't like it anymore. She bought something new and I'm the one who using the old equipment.
Bacanaki.
What Bajanaki? Turkish ah.
Say that. Bacanaki.
Very strong, okay. Put the metal, put the very windy ah. Yan. So guys, so from 4 peak, 1 wings, 2 wings, 3 wings, 4 wings, 5 wings, 6 wings forward, 6 wings aft, ibabalik namin yung plug. Then after that, vacuum test kami. Makita nyo rin yung paano mag-vacuum test. So ngayon balik na lang daw muna. Gusto nila isahan lang daw muna. Then after that, isa ulit. Okay? So syempre, may picture din natin. Kailangan. Okay, coming. Just take photo. Kailangan. Okay? Nasa kabila guys. Kailangan tayo friend natin. Friend ko yan. Sigla na ride up. Number 1 ha. So ayan guys, putulin ko muna yung video. Then let's resume yan pag magva-vacuum test na. I'll resume later the video when we start the vacuum test, okay? Okay ha. Okay, okay.
Why?
Huh?
What?
Too long the video. I stop first, then when vacuum test we show all the audience how to vacuum test. Huh? You explain, okay?
It's okay.
You explain, abe? Okay. Okay guys, dikit muna namin yung mga bottom plugs. Okay guys, so after ilang minuto magpe-pressure test na kami ng ng mga bottom plugs, which is katatapos lang ng rudder trunk. Ngayon gagawin naman namin sa ballast tank sa sais. So ayan yung device nila, kung marinig yung nag-sit-sit. Ayan yung yung gagamitin nila. Oh, flashlight ang sarili ko. Teka lang. Oh, my friend, how are you? What are we going to do, my friend? We're going to pressure test, right? What we are going to do? You explain to the viewers. We're going to pressure test, right?
Yes, pressure test.
Yeah.
No pressure test. Vacuum test.
Vacuum test, sorry, vacuum test, okay. Oh, what happened to
Pressure
your
test.
shoes? What happened to your shoes? So we use what? This soap, right?
It's water.
What? Water inside your shoes?
Yes.
Oh no. My friend, the weight is very strong, very very frozen na. What happened? Ah, air! Where's the air? Connect, okay, go. So,
Amigo!
well, pwela lang itong kasama ko.
Amigo!
Yes, what's up?
What's up, man?
Yes, what's that? My friend, why very cold? Already freezer So this is the rain and cold. Different before it's very hot, guys, papatensya na yung mga English natin kasi natin English, hindi natin pagkinan. Kaya dapat medyo boring para about English ang gamitin natin. Oh no, medyo malakas ang hangin guys, oh. Sobrang lakas. Dito pa naman kami sa umaga. My friend, too much strong wind. Very strong, ha? How can we do the job? Where we going? Sakit lang guys, ha? Inaano muna at yung hangin wala. Tapos masyadong malakas ang hangin, yung mga ginamit sa blaster ay tumatalsik. Okay guys, so hindi daw pwede ngayon. My friend, what happened?
Tomorrow morning
Continue.
vacuum test.
Why?
Today the problem the air.
The air, because
other side areas
other side raining like that.
Raining, very raining.
And my friend, how can I go up?
I don't know. We will see.
You will leave me here, my friend. Why? You're my friend. You're going to leave me here. It's very cold.
We will see. We will see.
Okay. We tomorrow again. But tomorrow no rain, ha? My God.
Tomorrow continue the.
Maybe have a raincoat, ha?
What?
Raincoat. Maybe they have raincoat. Continue. Oh, so you're going to leave now?
What?
Going to leave. Go home now.
Go home, Abe.
How about me? How can I go up into too much rain?
Abe, this office area
Ah.
very rain.
What will I say? Too much wind.
See you.
Ah, my friend. Oh. Sige, balik na bukas. Okay guys, we are back.
Photo.
Okay okay, I take picture. Wait,
Picture.
Picture, this one. Okay. This one GoPro haba. Okay, done. Okay, good. Ayun guys, pinagpatuloy namin yung vacuum test. Dahil oh yeah.
Hello.
We continue again.
This now the vacuum test continue.
No more strong wind.
No more.
No more. Wait.
Let's go.
Oh, wait. Ayan, vacuum test. Okay, good. So, gano'n lang kadali ang vacuum test. Tinitingnan namin kung yung binabacuum nila is hindi kakapit. At pag may bula, so pag may bula, At ano, kailangan higpitan ulit.
Copy.
Yan guys, so tingnan nyo. Good. Picture. Okay, good. So ayan. Okay. What tank is this? This 6 forward. Okay, good. No leaking. Good. Wait. Camera. What? Okay, that's good. Yan. So mabilis lang naman guys yung ano, pagpe-pressure test. Kahapon lang medyo natagalan kami dahil yun nga nagkaroon na masamang panahon. Ngayon okay na panahon pero masyado malamig. My friend, where are you? Wait for me. You're hurry, huh? Why you hurry, huh? Okay. Okay, next. Ano, kabila ulit. So kung hindi sana masama ang panahon kahapon, edi okay sana, mabilis kami natapos. Okay. Camera. Okay. This is 5, so we still have 1 to 4 and 40. Ngayon nagmamadali sila ngayon, kahapon ayaw. Excuse me. Okay, nasa number what tank? Number 4.
Number 4.
You flashlight. Go. No light. Oh, flashlight. Yeah. Good. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice dance. Very good. Oh, nice dancer. What are you singing?
I love you, sir.
Love you too, my friend. But, huh? Crazy ah.
Crazy boy.
Anyway, we finish. Ten. We dance.
Not bad.
Oh guys, ganyan kami kaloko dito. Oh no, stop. Cannot see. Go. Ha? Air. Okay guys, napindot ng ano, kasama ko na yung off. Makulit din to eh. Yan. Sayaw. Sige. Oh, where's the air? Now you're getting slow. Faster. Mayna. Correct? No, maybe mistake ah. Sayaw. Dance. Jump. No good ah. Okay, air, ayan na. Kuha ng ginagawa. Photo. Okay, good. Take picture. Okay, next. So, gano'n lang kadali ang vacuum test. Nakita nyo na ano, wala hindi bumubula yung ano, yung dinikit nila. Oh, pas. Walang leak. Wait, take picture. Okay, next. Oh, what? With this 4, right? We go 3. So ayun guys, so on and so forth lang yung ganun na paggagawa hanggang makarating kami sa 4 peak. So guys, if you like this vlog, like, subscribe to my Facebook page, YouTube channel, and TikTok. The name is Madilim. The Seaman Vlogger. Diba? Ayan guys, completed na yung vlog natin na to na pagtetest ng vacuum test and putting the plug. Diba?